Hi guys, today is the day. We are going to go car shopping. Hi guys. So I got my truck finally. When I bought this car yesterday, there was a tornado on the ground somewhere here close by. So everybody's busy. It was raining and everything. So I did not get to pay attention to my orientation yesterday. So today I'm just gonna do my room tour. No, not room tour, but car tour. And I'm gonna show you what this truck can do. I will show you the specs, everything. Okay, guys. So let's go.
Alright. Okay. Alright.
To start. Turn off the music. Ayan guys. Camera. That's the front camera. The garage. And the back. Back camera. There's another back camera. The ice camera. Back camera. There. So I usually just use the front for parking. Let's exit. And this is my audio here. It's the music, XM. Android, connected to my Android. It's my GPS. And then my phone, Play Store, Google Assistant, and maps, phone, big clock here, music, phone. When you get trailer. Actually guys, I'm still learning the specs of this truck. As you can see, there are so many. Wi-Fi hotspot, settings, climate, trailing, podcast, Google News. I guess that's it. My console here. It's the back. I already have stuff in there. Alright, so there we go. So we're gonna hit this twice. Automatic, it will open. Then we're gonna hit twice again to close it. There we go. That's it guys. So these are my travel belongings guys that are going to be at the back of my truck.